I would like to share my idea of creating a kind of a club, a voluntary association with all of my friends today. I intend to create a voluntary association whose members would comprise of parents, teachers, students, and people working in all kinds of other professions who are convinced that the development of character, morality, and attitudes is one of the primary targets of any meaningful education. And it is primarily this aspect of education which has a deep impact on the future of a society and the world. Therefore, the effective development of character, morality, and attitudes must be an integral part and core part of any education. Any person who ascribes to this idea, irrespective of his or her religious, national, professional, or political affiliation, may become a member of this association. Through this association, we want to focus on our personal improvement as individuals, as members of our respective societies, and as citizens of our common world. To become more deliberate, concerned, and educated about how we can bring about an improvement in character and morality, as well as attitudes. To morally support others, whether members or otherwise, in promoting the right kind of character, morality, and attitudes. To empathically help and support others in understanding and overcoming their mistakes and weaknesses, to have a positive influence on all those that we come in contact with during our lives. I'm not expecting an army to join the association. Even if a handful of individuals are interested in being a part of this association, I will initiate it as a closed interactive group on Facebook. Would you like to be a part of this association? Please leave your suggestions and comments below to help me refine and improve my ideas. Thank you so very much.